Here we will see data table object in ADO.NET. Data table is a central object in ADO.NET which represents relational data into tabular form. ADO.NET provides a data table class to create and use data table independently. Data table can also used with data view and data set. Initially, when table is created, it doesn't have any schema. User can create it by adding columns and constraints to the table. And after defining schema, user can add rows to the table. For example, here we will create table object for our data table. So we will define data table equal to new data table. And in this table object we will add the columns, and after that we will add the rows. Different constructors with data tables are: first is data table, which is used to initialize new instance of the data table class with no arguments, and data table with parameter string used to initialize new instance of the data table class with specified table name. Different properties for data tables are: first is column, which is used to get the collection of columns that belongs to the table. Constraints is used to get the collection of constraints maintained by the table. Data set is used to get the data set to which the table belongs. Minimum capacity property is used to get or set the initial starting size for the table. Primary key property is used to get or set an array of columns that functions as a primary key for the data table. Rows property is used to get the collection of rows that belongs to the table. And table name property is used to get or set the name of the data table. Different methods for data tables are: first is accept changes, which is used to commit all changes made to the table. Clear method is used to clear the data table. Clone method is used to copy the structure of the data table. Copy method is used to copy both structure and data for the data table. Get row type is used to get the row type. And new row method is used to create a new data row with the same schema as the table.